So let's look at part 2. Show that if x and y are non-zero parallel vectors, then x and y is equal to 0 degrees. Okay, great. I think this is pretty okay. There are a few ways of showing this. I don't know to what extent they want you to show it, because it can be more difficult than it seems. So I'm going to just try and do this properly. I think I'll just do the basic part. So I'm going to let x equals to a, b, and c. So since where a it cannot be ABC cannot be equals where it's non-zero, so meaning ABC cannot all at once become equals to 0. So we could actually write this down since x is parallel to y. So this will tell you that x is equals to k, y is equals to kx. Okay, and this case here, what we get is actually k a b c. So y is k a b c. Okay, great. So now the next part is actually just going to write x cross with y. I think this is pretty okay. So x is actually a b c cross with k a b c here. So we know that this is just k. The k can bring it out, so we're going to just write b a b c like that. B c like that. Okay, in this case here, we'll pick as k bc minus bc minus ac minus ac minus then we get ab minus ab, then we k 0 0 0, and this will just be 0 0 0. Okay, so this is just a 0 vector shown. Okay, so there you go. I think that's pretty okay. So let's look at the last part.